Good evening. So, yes, multitasking. So, I heard that भगवान ने बनाते वक्त औरत को बहुत टाइम लिया था. So, by nature, we have something different, like multitasking and sixth sense. We do have that. So, while I plan my day, I plan it priority wise. So, of course, it's bit difficult in this era. Like we have to even work from the home also sometimes. So we have to have the difference between house and office also. So I try to keep the whenever sometimes I do work from the home also. Still at that time I keep that distance, and I plan my work accordingly. So multitasking, of course. So I prioritize the work, and along with that I give my priority to my family also. So because they also required my time as a wife, as a daughter-in-law, as a daughter. I have to give that time also, and while giving that time I should not forget myself. I should have me time also. So meanwhile I love my hobbies also. So I'm a music lover. I play dole, and the priority to health also. So I exercise every day, walk and yoga. So that me time also I follow it. And if whenever I am at home, at that time I try to be 100% at the home only. And whenever I go for the outing or anything, at that time I try to avoid the office work. Of course, whatever the work has to be delicate, I do that. And in home also, we do not have any demarcation, like this work has to be done by my husband, this work has to be done myself. So whoever is available. So I stay in a joint family. I stay with my in-laws, and we do not have any demarcation. So whoever is available, we do that work. So for example, in many families, only wives they take care of their kids. But in my house, it's not the case. My husband is also a good husband. He is a good mother, I can say. And my mother-in-law is there. She always support me. My parents are there. They always support me. And of course, God has gifted us with this one special thing, and we need to use that. So we do not underestimate ourselves that we have those capabilities. Like it's a Navdurga, we can say. So we are having that capabilities, and we should utilize that. If we utilize that in a proper way, then nothing is impossible. You can excel in your office also, or in your professional life also, and you can excel in your personal life also. That's the thing.
Yes. Thank you, Reshma. Absolutely right. You have to do that. Then only you can play multiple roles. Um, that's so true. So, but what I would like to suggest here, what problems some women do is they try to be perfect in each and every role. So, my advice is you can't be perfect everywhere. So, please accept that and go ahead. That is the key of, being happy.
So yes, no one is perfectionist over here. So whatever the things you can't, let it be. It's okay. Love yourself. Start loving yourself the way you are.